Hi everyone, welcome to Bluebird Arts. I'm Ella, and I will be showing you how to do art. I've been doing art for like 2 years now, and I've done a lot in just 2 years. Like painting, drawing, I mostly do painting, scratchboard, which is really fun. Yeah, I'm not the best artist, but it's really fun, and art doesn't have to be perfect and precise, and it's like whatever you interpret it as and what you want it to be like. Like your imagination, your creation doesn't always have to be perfect, but there's abstract things that aren't even supposed to look like anything. There's spot on and like stuff. Like not all of my things are perfect, but that's okay. And I'm okay at that. And sometimes if you mess up, that's okay. On my like sketchbooks and stuff, if I mess up, I don't erase it or tear out the page. I leave it and then come back, and then like when I'm flipping through or whatever to go to the next page and like to a new page, I come back to it and see how much I've progressed with that and see how much changed and what I've learned from that. So art doesn't have to be perfect. It's not going to be perfect every time. And don't be hard on yourself if it doesn't look exactly right. I'm going to be showing you how I do it, and you could try to follow along. I'm not the best with instructions and everything, but yeah, and hopefully yours will turn out great. So a lot of my stuff I love when it's like really great and stuff, but some of it's not so great. That's okay, because I will get better and I'm learning. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time. Again, I'm Ella, and this is Bluebird Arts. And see you next time when we actually start doing art, which we'll be painting this first time. What are we painting? I don't know, but I think I have an idea. See you guys next time. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!